friends, it's Lori and welcome back to my channel. Today I just have a really short haul for you, a quick haul. Short, quick, I don't know. It's not going to take very long. But yeah, I got some stuff from Walmart and I got some stuff from the dollar store and I thought I would show it to you really quick. So if you're interested in seeing what I picked up, keep watching. Okay, I'm going to start with Dollar General really quick. I picked up this platter. Now it's ceramic. It's called a round ceramic trivet. But how gorgeous is this? It's blue, white, and yellow and gray, and it's just really, really pretty. And I sit it on my hutch. My hutch has this little plate rail at the back of it, and I just kind of put it in there. And I just love it. You guys, it was $3. Like, how pretty. $3. I love that. I just love the colors and everything. It has matching bowls, matching plates, maybe cups. I'm not sure. But they also have this that is with it. Look at this picture. I am loving pictures right now. I have started a really small collection of them. Kevin's like, what are you going to do with all these pictures? Because we don't drink that much. You know what I'm saying? But it is hand wash only, do not microwave. But it was $5. $5. Now, I seen one kind of like this at the Peddler's Mall. It was not the exact same thing, but it was really, really, really similar. And they wanted like $21. So $5. How gorgeous. It's just blue and white and just, I love this. This is so pretty. Okay. The last thing that I picked up this sign. It hangs. This was $2. And I figure I'll just hang it up because this is me. I just, like, Kevin's like, you want to do something? And I'm always like, nah, I just want to stay home because I'm a homebody. I'm a homebody. So I got this, let's stay home. Okay. Speaking of homebody, I got this from Sky's shop at House and Home. How cute is that? I love this. It's just has like this terracotta feel at the bottom. Ceramics, this homebody. Don't remember how much it was, but I will leave it on the screen here. But how cute is that? That is so cute. So I got that, and I also got this pitcher. I love this. I think this was like $12. This is microwave and dishwasher safe. So cute. I am obsessed. I don't know if this one said, let's see, microwave and dishwasher safe also. So I got that. And then I think everything else is from Walmart. I got 2 more pillows. I have these on my front porch. And last year I took them off my front porch and put them on my porch swing because my porch swing cushions are green and it just looked really good. So this year, instead of stealing pillows, I got 2 more. I got 2 more. Kevin's like, I told you to quit buying pillows. He gets so aggravated. Every time he turns around, I'm either buying pillows or there's pillow cases, which is the best way to do it. Go to Amazon, buy the cases, and then just, stuff your pillows into a different case, case cover, pillow cover, whatever. Because finding places to put all these pillows is kind of hard. But I needed these for my porch swing because I really love these. I mean, how cute. They have the sunflowers. I love sunflowers. That's what is going on my arm. So, yes, I picked those up. I don't know if I showed you guys this or not. I may have already showed you. If I picked up another one of these, I picked up one from the dollar store. This one was from Walmart. This was $5.98, I do believe. But, you can put like ketchup, mustard. You can put plastic silverware or napkins. But it's for like your picnic table, but I'm using this on my island because I really like this. And then the white galvanized one that I bought at the dollar store recently, I'm going to put on my picnic table. But I love this for the price. It matches my tray. Walmart is really like kicking everybody's ass this year on their outdoor stuff, because their outdoor stuff is freaking cool. Like it's good. Okay. Then I picked up these. I found these at the Mount Sterling Walmart, because our Walmart never has any stems. They're always sold out. Everybody just buys them as soon as they come in. But how pretty are these? Oh my gosh. I mean, they're as bright as what they look on TV, on the camera. But they were 350, 356, 3 something a piece. But I am obsessed. How pretty are these? I wish I would have actually got another set, but it's okay. Okay, last two things I bought go together, because you guys know I have a lot of stuff to paint. So I noticed that their paint chalk has been on clearance. The ones out of the craft department, the Waverly. And my store no longer has any on the shelf. And the Mount Sterling store has none on the shelf. They had some in the clearance aisle, but I didn't like the colors. So I ordered these, and I got an ivory and I got mineral. So I can get some of my painting done. And then I ordered these paint brushes, and I heard these are really good for like chalk paint. It's from Vintage Tonality, but they sent me a little paint stick, and they actually sent me one of these. Now, we used to give these to everybody that bought paint at Lowe's, and then Lowe's quit doing that. But I love these things, so I'm glad they sent me that. And then the paintbrushes came in a bag. Like, how cool is that? But these are the round paintbrushes. Got fuzz on it. But these are the round paintbrushes, and I have heard that these are great for chalk paint. So when I took them out of the bag, I think Kevin thought I bought these for decor. I'm like, no, I bought these to use. And then these are the other two. It came with a small one and then like a pointy one. And it said to just kind of do this and get all the, you'll get all the excess hairs off. And then they're like supposed to be perfect. So I'm excited to use these. Like, I'm probably going to start using these today, because it's just showing rain for the next few days. It's like every time warm weather kicks in, here comes the rain. You know what I'm saying? And then we deal with rain forever. We haven't even got crops started. But how cool are these? I think they are really cool. And again, they just come in the bag. And boom. Love them. And then, of course, it comes with a little card on how to clean them, how to get them started, how to get all the excess little hairs off that might be on there. That's it, guys. That is everything that I picked up from Dollar General, which has some really cute stuff right now, and Walmart. Because Walmart, the pillows are selling, boom, like that. Everything. The stems are like, every time I go to my Walmart, the stem aisle is empty. Every aisle is empty. I don't know what it is, but every aisle is empty. But you cannot get stems. You cannot get paint. It's completely empty. You can't get pillows unless you get the $5 ones. And I did not see any of those that I really like this year. But that's it. That's everything that I have for you. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, hit that red subscribe button below. You will be the first ones to know every time I post a new video. I usually try to post about once a week. I'm trying to get back into that. I did take a break for a while. I had to get my mental state of mind back in order because of the schooling, the pandemic, just everything really took a toll on me. But I think I am back. Try to get one up once a week. I try to do home decor, fashion, thrifting, hauls, vlogging, sometimes a little bit of beauty. I kind of strayed away from that, but yeah, that is it, guys. I love you. Please stay safe. Please stay healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Bye.